Alright, let's talk about the drone that got everyone buzzing, DJI Flip. The leaks are wild and it looks like DJI is trying something totally new with this drone. We have seen some exciting releases recently from DJI, but this one could be the perfect option for content creators and solo travelers. Let's dive into what makes this drone so exciting. We have recently seen 3 new drones from DJI Neo, DJI Mini 4K and the more and professional DJI Air 3s. Now the Air 3 is a powerhouse, but let's be real, it's a bit pricey for casual users. Meanwhile, both the DJI Neo and Mini 4K have their own limitation. The Neo struggles in the windy condition and the Mini 4K lacks tracking capabilities. But it seems like DJI is about to fix all of this issue with the new upcoming DJI Flip Drone. It could be the perfect middle ground under $1,000. What is really exciting about this Flip is DJI seems to be experimenting with a brand new design language. While DJI typically keeps its drone consistent in terms of form factor, but the Flip might break the mold. The leaks suggest that it will be super portable yet packed with premium features. This could mean a foldable palm-sized drone that is easy to carry anywhere, ideal for solo travelers and content creators on the go. For what we have been seeing, the DJI Flip isn't just small, it's smart and it's rumored to come with AI-powered tracking for effortless subject following, obstacle avoidance using LiDAR sensor, something usually DJI reserved for their DJI high-end drones, but we are going to see that in DJI Flip. And of course we are getting the quick shots like rocket, boomerang and drone. One thing that stand out is safety. DJI Flip is expected to have full propeller protection, making it a great option for beginners or anyone flying in tighter space. And if you have ever worried about crashing your drone indoors, this feature could be a lifesaver. The Flip is rumored to have a 1x1.3-inch CMOS sensor shooting 4K at 60 fps with HDR. That's pretty impressive for a drone this small. Plus, it's expected to offer ND filter compatibility. So, if you are a content creator looking to have some cinematic shot, you are covered. Battery-wise, we are looking at around 31 minutes of flight time, but in real life uses, maybe we'll get 20 to 23 minutes of flight time, which is solid for a compact drone. And for transmission, the Flip will reportedly use DJI OcuSync 4.0, promising better range and stability. Now let's talk about the price. The Flip is expected to start at $460 for the base model, which includes drone. If you want to have the RC2 remote controller, then you have to spend $670, and if you want to have the Fly More combo pack, then you have to spend $800. The final price can be vary depending on the region you are living. At that price point, it's much more affordable than the Air 3s, but it still seems like to be capable enough for serious hobbyists and content creators. What makes the DJI Flip specially appealing is how beginner friendly and portable it's expected to be. If you are a solo traveler or content creator, you know how frustrating can be to lug around bulky gear. The Flip seems to solve that problem by being small, lightweight and easy to set up on the fly. Also, the LiDAR obstacle avoidance and AI-powered tracking system could be a game changer, imaging the drone following you effortlessly while you are hiking or running or exploring new places. No need to constantly adjust the controls. So what do you think about the DJI Flip? Based on these leaks, it looks like it's going to be portable, powerful and versatile drone that caters to beginners and experienced pilots. It's not officially confirmed yet, but all the signs point to be a 15th January 2025 release, possibly in CES in Las Vegas. One thing for sure, this is the drone to keep your eyes on. If you want to stay updated all these things DJI, hit that subscribe button and stick around for more exciting updates. I'll see you on the next one. Until then, goodbye.